How do I replace or tighten the belt on a ST100?
https://www.partstreet.com/parts/cub-cadet/trimmers string trimmer brush cutter /ST125A262J756 Cub Cadet string trimmer 2014/general assembly/ See parts link above. #idler lever is pulled against the belt by #spring. Is spring in place and is the idler free to move? There is no adjustment, the spring and idler is all there is.
Thanks for the help. The spring is missing.
That will do it. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.